Welcome to GCSE Maths Help. Today we're going to be looking at ratios and the key points you need to know for your exam. Let's get started. Ratios are a way of comparing the size of two or more parts in relation to each other. It could be the way money is split between two people, 2 parts to one person, 3 parts to the other, or it could be the way that paint is mixed, mixing 3 parts yellow paint to 1 part blue paint. If we were splitting a cake between two friends, 2 slices to 4 slices, we would need to split the cake into the total number of slices needed before we could allocate slices to the friends. So we could split the cake into 6 pieces and then give 2 of them to one friend and the remaining 4 slices to the other friend. Much like when we work out percentages or fractions questions, we need to work out how much one part of the ratio represents of the whole number before we can multiply it up to match the proportions of the ratio. So if we split £500 between 2 businesses at the ratio of 2 to 6, we need to split the money into 8 parts, as that's the total number of parts needed. So £500 divided into 8 parts is £62.50. So one part of the ratio represents £62.50. So the first business is going to get 2 times £62.50, which equals £125. The second business is going to get 6 times £62.50, which equals £375. So we've split the £500 at a ratio of 2 to 6. So this question says, at a school, the number of boys in relation to number of girls is 9 to 7. There are 116 more boys than girls. Work out the total number of students at the school. So we know that the difference between boys and girls at this school is 116. And that is equal to the difference in the ratios, so that must be equal to 2 parts of our ratio. So that means that 1 part of the ratio is equal to 58 students. So our ratio up here, there are 9 parts of boys and 7 parts of girls, so that means there's 16 parts altogether. So to get from 1 to 16, we times by 16, so we need to times the other side by 16, the 58. So that totals at 928. So there's 928 students in this school. Ratios can be simplified much like we do with fractions by dividing all the parts by the same number. So a ratio of 4 to 6 to 8 can be simplified to 2 to 3 to 4 by dividing all the numbers by 2. Ratios can also be written in their unitary form when the first number is 1, so a ratio of 5 to 9 in its unitary form is 1 to 1.8. We divide both sides by 5. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to have some practice at answering exam-style questions on this topic, click the link in the bio below. Don't forget to subscribe to GCSE Maths Help with the subscribe button below, or you can check out my Instagram page at GCSE Maths Help for more videos and tips. Thanks for watching.